Hey guys, I'm the Mysterious Mandalorian. So today I and my custom minifig LOM7 will show you how to build a TIE fighter using spare parts. So let me show you how to build the wings first. Let me just get the parts you will need for making one wing. So these are some of the parts you will need. Let's get started. This is how you build the left wing. The right wing is the same, except the only difference you will need to do is that, unlike the left wing where you put the blocky pieces over here, you'll put this connection piece a little to the left. So the left wing is here and the right wing is here. The reason for this is because the wing panels are same and this block part is same, so it's easy to build this. But we're still not done yet. You will now need some other pieces. Let me show them. So you'll need to connect two pieces like this, and you're good to go to build a starting body. So this is how you make the body of the TIE fighter. This will be the top of it, but first let me show you what to do. This is a hatch from which your soldier can enter, or Miss LOM7 as I say. The custom figure I made. So now we attach. So now you want to attach the wing that looks like this. The right wing, I mean. And I'll put this on later. It's easier if I do it this way. This is where we put the left wing, and now we have the right wing. See? Then we connect this, the back. I removed the front so it could be easier to connect the rest of the parts. So you connect this over there. This is the tricky part, aka the fun part. I'll zoom in. From here it's simple enough. You attach this, and it looks like this. So yeah, it looks like that. Then you attach this like this, then attach it like this. This is the TIE fighter. Now let's see. First, you're gonna put a minifig in sitting position with the arms up a little. So this is how we're gonna put him in. I know there's a gap here, but I put it there I don't know, I just felt it had to be there for some reason. And the reason is simple. So we can close it tightly. So this is how you make your own homemade TIE Fighter. The similarity, I put this open because we can see his face like it's the glass part. The similarities between this and an actual Lego TIE Fighter or a normal TIE Fighter is the wings. I know the models are different, but the wing shape is the same, and overall design on the front and back is the same. One very, very noticeable difference is the color, because I didn't have the right colored pieces for all of this, but I had the shapes. Another thing is the guns over here. That's a difference. Usually they're a little inside, but I just thought it would look better if I put it outside. Like, those blasts. I felt some blasters had to be visible. Top looks pretty good. Actually, I'm actually pretty proud of myself. And over here, everything seems to be fine from a back view. Side views are pretty good, and I hope... let's just change this to a TIE Fighter pilot when I get a TIE Fighter pilot. I just hope Rebels get scared of this. This is a very costly for one person, but not for our beloved Empire. Just kidding. But it's also a bit fragile, because it's, in my opinion, this is a pretty decent version of a TIE Fighter. Well, instead of spending $32 on a Lego TIE Fighter, you can use your spare parts or pieces from another set to build like this. So this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you. Bye.